Exquisite craftsmanship, Chief Minter. Indeed, Doctor. A testament to perfection.
Booties check, hairnet and coat, gloves snapped, looking good, ready.
Status check. All clear. Proceed to receiving. Verified. Transferring cargo now.
The case is secure. Initiating dual key unlock.
Turn. The exact weight has stabilized. We have a perfect match to the specification. Excellent work. Proceed with certification.
Engaging cooling sequence. Standby. Temperature stable at 1064. Operation successful.
The purification levels are stable, Chief.
Excellent. The purity must be absolute.
It will be. This process is fully optimized.
The readings on the gold purity levels are consistent across all batches.
Exceptional. Maintain steady voltage and current. How soon can we cast the first bullion?
Analyzing trace element, preparing alloy. Target weight matched. Proceeding with ingot. The temperature is holding steady.
The blend is perfect.
Extracting the rod now.
Carefully, Chief Minter.
The spectrometer is armed and ready.
Initiate the sequence.
Confirmation, gold alloy 999.9%.
Excellent. The purity is verified. The softening is progressing exactly as planned.
Excellent. Maintain that consistent motion.
The data confirms the precision within 1/100th of a millimeter.
Excellent. Proceed with the final pass.
Initiate heating sequence. Verified. Temperature climbing.
The tolerances look perfect. Let's send it to minting.
Alignment check. Indicator reading steady. Torque settings confirmed. Ready to proceed.
Aligned.
Ready to tighten.
Proceed.
Complete. The dwell time is complete. Engage upward cycle. Outstanding definition. Confirming the strike is perfect.
Precision strike initiated. Second impression. Holding. Final strike. Verified. Proof perfection. Exceptional. A perfect strike. 1 million complete.
Verified.
Confirmed. The diameter measurement is precise.
Confirmed. Another perfect unit passes inspection.
The sample is ready for review.
999.9. Exceptional. Proceed with certification. Indenter engaging. Perfect. Vickers hardness confirmed. Results align.
Exceptional. This one is perfect. Approved.
Outstanding. A flawless specimen. Perfectly preserved.
Verified. The seal is complete.
The print is complete. Exceptional quality. The serial number matches the sovereign coin.
17,84307. Matches.
Confirmed.
Inventory secured.
Very good, Chief Minter. The collection is complete. Barcode verified. Registration complete. Securely filed.
Secure the final case. Roger that, Chief. Doors closing. The yield is exceptional, Chief.
Excellent. Maintain these parameters.
Press cycle 31 complete. Another perfect batch.